Hello everybody and welcome to our channel. Here you learn Korean, okay? How? Okay, we focus on listening and speaking. Okay, my wish today is for you to be able to speak this line from the movie Ice Age in Korean after enough practice without ever seeing Korean characters, okay? How are we going to do that? First, I will have you listen to this sentence in Korean several times and then I will explain what the sentence is. And then again, you will be listening to this sentence several times. And after that, you will have a chance to practice speaking the sentence in Korean. Okay? That's my goal. All right? Let's dive into it. First, take a listen to this Korean sentence. 나를 위해 목숨을 걸 친구가 없었어. One more time. 나를 위해 목숨을 걸 친구가 없었어. One more time. 나를 위해 목숨을 걸 친구가 없었어. Okay, let's analyze the sentence. Okay, 나를 위해 목숨을 걸 친구가 없었어. Okay, 나를 위해 for me. 나를 위해 목숨을 걸 would risk his life. 목숨을 걸 목숨 is life. 걸다 is risk. So, 목숨을 걸 means would risk his life. 목숨을 걸. 친구가, a friend. 친구가 없었어. I've never had. 없었어. One more time, the whole thing. 나를 위해 목숨을 걸 친구가 없었어. One more time. 나를 위해 목숨을 걸 친구가 없었어. Okay, listen again. 나를 위해 목숨을 걸 친구가 없었어. One more time. 나를 위해 목숨을 걸 친구가 없었어. One more time. 나를 위해 목숨을 걸 친구가 없었어. One more time. 나를 위해 목숨을 걸 친구가 없었어. Okay, let's analyze it one more time. 나를 위해, for me. Me is 나 is me, okay? For me, 나를 위해, for me, 나를 위해. 목숨을 걸, who would risk his life. 목숨을 걸, who would risk his life. 목숨을 걸. 친구가, friend. 친구가 없었어. I've never had or there is none. 없었어. The whole thing. 나를 위해 목숨을 걸 친구가 없었어. If you do it a little fast. 나를 위해 목숨을 걸 친구가 없었어. Listen to it one more time. 나를 위해 목숨을 걸 친구가 없었어. One more time. 나를 위해 목숨을 걸 친구가 없었어. One more time. 나를 위해 목숨을 걸 친구가 없었어. One more time. 나를 위해 목숨을 걸 친구가 없었어. Okay. 친구 is friend. 친구 is friend. Let me take a look at some of the vocabulary words, okay? Life is 목숨 is life, okay? Risk, 걸다, 목숨을 걸다, okay? Let me analyze the whole thing again. 나를 위해, for me. 나를 위해 목숨을 걸, who would risk his life. 목숨을 걸 친구가, 목숨을 걸, who would risk his life. 목숨을 걸. 친구가, a friend. 친구가 없었어. I've never had. 없었어. I've never had or there is none. 없었어. The whole thing again. 나를 위해 목숨을 걸 친구가 없었어. Listen to it one more time. 나를 위해 목숨을 걸 친구가 없었어. One more time. 나를 위해 목숨을 걸 친구가 없었어. One more time. 나를 위해 목숨을 걸 친구가 없었어. One more time. 나를 위해 목숨을 걸 친구가 없었어. Now it's time to practice speaking, okay? I will give you a couple of second pause after you hear it, okay? And then you practice speaking this sentence in Korean, okay? Here you go. 나를 위해 목숨을 걸 친구가 없었어. Were you able to do it? Try again. 나를 위해 목숨을 걸 친구가 없었어. One more time. 나를 위해 목숨을 걸 친구가 없었어. One more time. 나를 위해 목숨을 걸 친구가 없었어. One more time. 나를 위해 목숨을 걸 친구가 없었어. One more time. 나를 위해 목숨을 걸 친구가 없었어. One more time. 나를 위해 목숨을 걸 친구가 없었어. Still one more time. 나를 위해 목숨을 걸 친구가 없었어. Okay, that's enough for this practice. Okay, so we practiced this sentence from the movie Ice Age today. Let me emphasize that it is important to practice again and again in language learning. So whenever you have time, you can come back to this video and repeat this sentence, okay? By the way, the purpose of this exercise is not for you to be able to remember this sentence and use it later. If you can do it, that would be really great. But the purpose is to get you to be familiarized with the Korean sentences, okay? Korean language, all right? That's the purpose. So if you forget this sentence later, don't worry about it. Just doing this practice over and over again, and if that practice is accumulated, then it will make a great impact on your ability to speak Korean, all right? That's it for episode 31. Thank you. Bye.